Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tech Space, and in this video I want to talk about more specifically VidIQ. Obviously you can tell by the title, but analytics on YouTube in general. A few people have asked me about it. So basically on VidIQ it allows you to see all these stats here on the side. As you can see, I'm watching one of their videos, so give me sort of the idea of making this video right here, which explains to you what it is. So VidIQ, they have this tool, and you can see all these stats on the side here. You can see how many views the video has that you're watching. You can see the social score, the engagement rate, like ratio, stuff like that. But more importantly, if you go down here to SEO, if you don't know what SEO is, it means search engine optimization. And basically what search engine optimization means is how well your video is going to perform on YouTube based on what tags are involved in the video, what descriptions are used, what links are used, are you putting annotations on it, are you putting end screens on your videos, is there introduction, is there an outro, stuff like that. All that stuff combines to make your video or give your video a certain SEO score. Obviously the highest score here is 100. You're trying to shoot for 100, but even the best videos obviously aren't going to get 100. I've never seen a video with 100. I think I've seen one with 98, and I don't remember what video it was, but the SEO score is what you're really going to want to get as high as you can. And again, you do that through doing tagging on your videos, and I'll make another video on that when I upload a video showing you the different tags that you can use that will further your videos on YouTube. Again, you want your videos to be searchable, so when people go to the search bar up here and they're typing in something, what are they going to type in? So those are the tags you're going to use. Type in those specific words that pop into your head. If you're making a video on how to make a beat, a music beat, so you're going to use, that's exactly what you're going to use as a tag: how to make beats, how to use Fruity Loops, you're going to use tags that relate to that video specifically, because if you use tags that don't relate to the video, obviously when somebody types it in, they're not going to find that video because it's not related to it. So if you have, say you're making a video on a Dell computer, but for some reason you put Apple computer because Apple's trending, when people click on that video, when people go to search for Apple computers, your video is going to pop up. But when people find out, a few people find out that it's not a real video, it's going to get tons of dislikes. People are going to not like it, and it's going to shoot to the bottom of that list. So you want your videos to be liked. Just getting views on them isn't enough to push your videos to the top. You need engagements, but the right amount of engagements. You need comments, you need likes, and you're again gonna have this big thing called a bounce rate. And if you have Google Analytics, you'll understand that when people go to your channel, they have to stay on your channel first, or your video for a certain amount of time for it to be considered an actual view or an interaction. If they leave without that, if it say it's 20 seconds, say if they have to be there on 20 seconds, if they leave before 20 seconds, then it's not counted as an actual interaction. So you don't get paid for it. It's not going to count because it's called a bounce. So they're literally going from your video to another video because it's automatically, not what they're looking for. You lied in your title, you lied in your thumbnail, you lied in your description or whatever. So that's a little rant about tags and how to tag your video, how not to tag your video at least. Again, I'll make another video on that. But you can download VidIQ. You can get all these cool tools over here. You can see the tags that people use on their videos. You can see the tags that they have for their channel. And it's just a cool tool to have for your videos more specifically, not to use it to, check other people's videos, even though you can. And it is useful sometimes to, check people that are similar to you, channels that are similar to yours, checking how they're tagging, how they're using their descriptions and their links and stuff like that. You can check out that using VidIQ, and it really helps boost, again, that SEO score which pushes your videos to the top of YouTube. So I just thought I'd put that video out here, or this video out, because a lot of people bullshit around with how to get your channel up to the top of the search, and that's really how people do it. The only other way than that is to boost your posts, obviously, by paying for some type of ad campaign, whether the ad campaign's on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. You pay for ad campaigns, $100. You see it on, if you have a Facebook page, you see it on Facebook all the time. It says boost your post. You pay $10, you'll get 50 to 60 clicks in a day. So a lot of companies and stuff like that they budget around using those campaigns, and obviously it's a tool that's not taken advantage of. It's used and targeted towards the people that their business would be targeted to. So it's something that is necessary to actually advance and gain people and to get your name out there to more people. So running a campaign, while it isn't a completely horrible thing, it is. I'm not trying to shame running campaigns. I'm just trying to say that's not really what the focus is. You want to organically grow your fan base first, at least, and grow and make sure that your channel is at least sustainable and it's not something that's going to deteriorate, and that it is actually growing before you go ahead and start running a bunch of campaigns, especially throwing a lot of money into it, because it does cost a lot of money to run these campaigns and to actually get feedback from them. So if you run a $10 campaign, you're not going to get that much feedback. You might get 10 clicks, like 10 real interactions. So that's not, it's not ideal for you to just throw a whole bunch of money in at first, unless you have a video, you really expect to, blow up. If you want to, you could run a campaign for it on Facebook or whatever, but basically that's all I wanted to show you or tell you guys about in this video. VidIQ tagging SEO on your YouTube channel, and I haven't made that many how-to videos on YouTube. I don't really feel like I'm in the right to. I'm not that high up on YouTube, but I do make a decent amount of money per month on YouTube, and accumulatively bringing all of your different all of these different aspects together has helped a lot for the videos that I have over 100,000 views on, which I think is like 10 plus videos now. So it does work, and paying attention to these things is really important. And this video is very long, so I'm gonna end it here, and you guys can check out my channel for more videos. Again, I'm going to be making a ton of more videos just on this topic specifically, as well as other topics on YouTube development and beginning, because I think that's basically the hardest part for people, is they don't want to start because of some reason, or they don't think they have the tools or the know-how. So I'm going to teach you, if you want to know how to create a YouTube channel and develop it. Other than that, that's basically it for this video. I know it's a long rant, and most of my videos will probably be like that, just because I feel like you need to know as much as possible. Let me know if you guys want the videos to be longer. I can actually go through the tools, and actually I'll probably end up making a hour tutorial on this eventually. I don't want to make it right now, but it'd be something that obviously that I have to plan out. But I've made videos on 2-hour videos on other things, so it's something that I've done on my channel a lot. I've had tons of videos that are over an hour long, so it is something that I'll do in the future, is make a long version of this video. If you guys really want that, let me know in the section below. If you want me to go over a specific thing about monetization, SEO, tagging, anything about your YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Post in the comment section below. Again, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.